baby is having some abnormal movements, most of the people will think that it is something serious. But this small abnormal movements is a normal phenomena called hiccups. These hiccups are when the diaphragm is irritated by excessive gas. This also happens when the baby is overstimulated. Now you would have heard background music, lot of noises, and now the fan is also running and AC is also running and baby has no wrap. So baby is a bit overstimulated. So in this case there can be hiccups. This is a normal phenomena. You wrap the baby, decrease the stimulation and give burping and it will improve.